Hi, my name is Kamaran. I came to Turkey in 2016. Most of my relatives in our those concentration camps or in prison. My biggest uncle, Asghar Ablet, is sentenced for 6 years in prison. Sadruddin Ablet, Nasruddin Ablet, and Turgun Ablet. Most of the men are sentenced for 6 years or for a long term. My biggest uncle died last year in concentration camps. I heard that my uncle Turgun Ablet's kidney has been taken and his wife has been sentenced for 8 years. Gulay Mushur, which is my biggest aunt, has also been sentenced for 8 years, and his biggest son, Merdan Nejmuddin, has been sentenced for 10 years, and his wife, Azgul, has been sentenced for 5 years, and her sister, Yangul, has been sentenced for 9 years in prison. She's only 15 years old. I have no idea where are my other relatives. Even if they don't have any guilt or any crime, they are being sacrificed for the crackdown on Uyghurs. I'm asking you as a human being, not to help, but to support us. Uyghurs are facing extinction, but some animal about to extinct the government or some good people tries to save it. But when it comes to us, everyone is watching but doing nothing. Don't let China reach their goals. Put yourselves in our shoes. If the world doesn't pay enough attention, the outcome will be catastrophic. I mean, look at the news. What's happening in China? Coronavirus is almost destroying China's economics. And most of the infected people are dying because they can't get the treatment. Some of them are locked up at their house and starving to death. I'm really scared that this might happen to my family and relatives or all the Uyghurs. If you're watching this video and if you are a human being, you need to stand up and to support us. Doesn't matter you are from any country or any religion. We have to do something in order to save them. But I can't do it by my own. I need humanity's help and support. Please share this video if you can and do something about the situation. Thank you for watching.